Welcome in the phonics series. So dear kids, in this video we will learn the phonics sound of M to P. Okay. Now let's get started. Phonics sound. First I am writing letter M. Look here. First row standing line, then slanting line, again slanting line, then straight line downside. This is capital M. Now here I am writing small m. Straight line, start from second line to third line. Okay, then come up, touch the line, make curve, come down. This is again make curve, come down. This is small m. So let's see the story of M. Molly's mother cooked some muffins for Molly. She ate all the muffins and said, mmm. Got it? The sound of M is mmm. Okay, to produce the sound of M, press your lips like that and blow the air in your mouth, and the air will go through from your nose. To check you are producing this sound right or wrong, you have to pinch your nose while producing. Your sound will stop. It means you are producing in right way. Okay. M sound is Let's look M sound flashcard. This is capital M, small m, M, milk, M, milk, M, moon, M, moon. Understood? Sound of M is Our next letter is N. Look here. First standing line, first line to third line. Okay, then first line to third line, slanting line. Okay, now down to this third line to first line, down to up, standing line. This is capital N. Now here I am writing small n. Look here, straight line, then come up, touch the line, make curve, come down. This is small n. Now let's have a fun with the story of N. Nancy and her friend went to a garden. There they heard a very loud noise. It was an aeroplane in the sky that was making sound. Got it? The sound of N is Okay. To produce the sound of N, you have to place your tip of your tongue, upper side, mouth, teeth, that back side. Okay. Upper teeth, back side, you have to place your tongue like this. Okay. And say. Air will block in your mouth and come through your nose. It's a nasal sound. To check this sound also, you have to pinch your nose while producing the sound. It is stopping. It means you are producing in a right way. Okay, got it? Let's see the flashcard. This is capital letter N. Small letter N. N, nail. N, net. Okay. Our next letter is O. Let's write. Make a nice circle. This first line to third line here. This is capital letter O. Again now I am writing a small letter. Start from this second line till this third line. This is small letter O. Let's see the story of letter O. Oliver and Oscar have a new bedroom. There was a light switch near the bed. Oliver went to the switch, near the switch, and turns on, off, on, off, O, on, O, off. Got it? The sound of O is O, O. To produce this sound, you have to open your mouth like this. Your two fingers should go inside, like this. When you will produce A sound, your one finger will go. A, O. Two fingers will go inside. Okay. And this is a tense sound. It means you have to stretch your lips and tongue together. Then make sound. O. 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 Okay, understood? Let's see the flashcard. Capital letter O. O. Small letter O. 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 Ox. O. O. Orange. Okay. Now let's see the next letter. This is P. Here I am writing P. Look here. Straight line, standing. Then we have to make curve. This first line to second line. Keep here on the first line, then make curve and turn here on the second line. This is capital letter P. Here I am writing small letter, standing line, this line, second line to this third line. Oh, sorry, fourth line. Now make a nice curve again, this second line to third line. This is small letter P. Let's have a fun with the story of P. Paul's mother makes cake for Paul with purple eyes. She kept 3 trick candles on the cake, and the Paul blows the candles. But that candles relight again because those were trick candles. Okay. Then he took the candle, Paul took the candle and do like that. With air puff, he was blowing that candle. So got it? The sound of P is okay. Now these 4 letters I taught today, and you have to learn, practice. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.